Okay, it's been a couple of days since we fixed the transfer head and the auger roller bearings on this 1959 Axeman Anderson. We've been doing a little coal usage measuring experiment, so I mined 14 buckets of rice coal out of my basement bin. There's the other ones. The cat's happy about that. She likes basement mining. Don't you? Well, anyway, so here's the big test to see if the new packing ring is actually working and actually being installed correctly, finally, since apparently I didn't know how to install it before and I had it in the wrong place. But wow, nothing in there. Okay, I was wrong. Now the packing ring is installed correctly. All right, so here we go. I guess that everything will probably be okay now. I probably don't have to have the coal chip collector on there anymore. And that's about that. That was fun and exciting. Time to refill our barrel that we have there. We're running it off of a barrel right now because that way we can measure the amount of coal we put in it. And we use the hour meter for the fan run time. And I'm just using a motorized clock right now for the ashing solenoid run time. So that'll give us how many pounds of coal we burn, how many hours the fan runs, how many hours the unit ashes, and we're going to take the ash pan out and weigh the ashes. So that way we'll have all the data points we really need. The main goal of this is to try to figure out what the feed rate is of this thing. That's a tough equation on one of these because there isn't really a good way of doing it. So yeah, Kitty's kind of bummed out about that too. She'd like to know how much coal this thing uses.